Can you check the battery health on your Android phone? This tutorial will show you the easiest methods step by step. First, open your phone's Settings app. Now, scroll down and tap on Battery. On some Android phones, you may see options like Battery Health, Battery Information, or Phone Diagnostics. If your phone supports this feature, simply open it, and you'll be able to see your battery condition and health status directly. But on many Android phones, the battery health option is not available by default. In that case, you can use a trusted battery health checker app from the Play Store. So open the Google Play Store and search for apps like CPU-Z or Device Info HW. Both apps are popular and widely used for checking Android battery health. After installing the app, open it and go to the battery section. Here, you'll be able to see useful information like battery health status, temperature, charging details, battery capacity, and overall battery condition. And that's how to check battery health on an Android phone, easily. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe for more Android tips and troubleshooting tutorials.